Hello, my name is Israel Aloni. I am a choreographer. I'm the artistic director of the company IL Dance, which is based in Sweden. And I'm here at EiMa working on a project called Boys Just Want to Have Fun. And I'm here with Elias, Aru, and Victor, three artists who are here with me to start the research for the process. And we are basically starting to look at different relations to the physical body. We are looking at what is the image of men, how do men behave, what do we think about men, and why or how we are in this situation where men's sensuality or physicality is often related to sports or war, but not so much into our social spaces, into our everyday life.